Okay, you can start now.
Can you just stop the recording firstly?
Sorry?
Can you just stop the recording for a while?
Okay.
Okay.
What? Start.
Yes. Okay. Hello, everyone, and thank you for giving us the opportunity to present our project plan. Today, I'm talking about Accelerate Global Experimental Learning Virtual Summit. And firstly, this is the project, and the sponsor are Accelerate, and these are our team members. And here we are four person that present this project plan. Can you change the slide? Okay. Here we are talking about, firstly, I'm talking about my team proposal and project charter for upcoming event, which is the Accelerate Global Experimental Learning Virtual Summit. And this is a 3-day event where we are connecting the educators and students from around the world together and making the interactive sections. And here, firstly, we talk about the project. Why this is very important. Our main goal is to promote experimental learning, which means learning through real experiments, not just the books. Like this summit helps position Accelerate as a global leader in this type of learning. We also want to use the event to build partnerships with schools and other educational groups, expand our interactive reach, and gather feedback that help to improve Accelerate platform in the future. So overall, the event serve three purposes. You change the slide. Uh,
Sorry.
yeah. So overall, the event serve three purposes. Number one is brand building, and the second one is community engagement, and the third one is platform development. Now you can change the slide scope. So in this slide, I'll discuss about the scope of our project. Firstly, we will handle the virtual setup that include choosing a platform like Zoom or Google Meeting and managing registration and running the event smoothly. We will also create and manage content like speakers, panel, workshops, and lead marketing efforts through email, social media, and online ads. We will provide technical support to help attendees during the event and make sure everything runs smoothly. So, uh, uh,
Sorry.
yeah, thank you. We uh, we are not handling anything physically. Everything is online, and we have to stick on a budget which is 30,000 dollar, and we have to manage all the things in this budget. Now you can change the slide. Okay, in the slide, I'm discussing about the key stakeholders and strategies. The stakeholders in this project are both internal and the external. Internal stakeholders, including our project team and the Accelerate leadership, and the external stakeholders are educators, students, and potential partners from around the world. And our strategy is to deliver high quality interactive sessions like expert panels, live polls, or question answers so participants feel engaging and involved. All the event we will analyze the feedback to help accelerate, improve, and grow. Now you can change the slide. Okay, in this slide, now I'm discussing about the project milestone. Firstly, we submit our project charter by 7th May, which define the purpose, scope, and the goal of our project. And after that, the next we create the Gantt chart. On 19th May, show the full schedule with task and the deadline. And the last one is we build the risk register by 26th May, identify the risk and how we can manage them during the project plan. And the last one is we are preparing this recording presentation, which will be submitted by June 2nd to share everything we have done. Thank you so much. This is the my part that I have presented. And now the second participant can join and present their work. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Sidwatul Muntaha and the part of my presentation is understanding the Gantt chart. First we'll look into what Gantt chart is. Gantt chart is a powerful visual tool that lays out all project tasks and milestones in a clear time-based format. It includes four components. The first one is task and activities. In this component, every key action item that must be completed. The other is the start and end dates. We define each task, the date and time in which it begins and ends. The next component, the next component is task duration. It helps us understanding the time commitment needed. And the other one is assignment responsibilities. Ensures everyone knows who is accountable for what. In this in this part, we assign different duties to different. The Gantt chart was not just a planning document; it became our central roadmap, guiding the team throughout the entire project lifestyle. It enables better coordination, reduced miscommunication, and kept our timelines realistic and achievable. In the context of Accelerate Global Virtual Summit, the Gantt chart had a significant impact on the success of our project execution. Let me highlight a few specific features and benefit we have experienced. Clear timeline. First one is the clear timeline from the project charter creation to the final presentation. We could visualize every major deliverables. This helped align our work with deadline and ensures we didn't overlook any critical milestone. Define responsibilities. The other thing that Gantt chart helps us in is defining responsibilities. Each team member had their tasks mapped out. This level of clarity reduced duplication of efforts and enhanced individual accountability. The other factor that the Gantt chart contributes to improved coordination. With the shared visual reference, communication became more efficient. We could easily see dependency between tasks. For example, how delay in content development might affect the event registration process. Greater efficiency. The Gantt chart streamlines our workflow. We spend less time organizing and more time executing. Knowing what needs to be done next kept us productive and focused. The Gantt chart provides us with the timeline in which we have to complete certain tasks, and we arrange the whole project into certain activities, and we designate them for certain time, and we completed them in that time. So Gantt chart is a very helpful tool, and it was instrumental in driving the project forward with structure and discipline. That was all from my side. Thank you.
This is my slide is risk register overview week 3. Risk awareness is identifying and managing risks was crucial throughout the project. Utilizing a risk register allowed us to prepare in advance and minimize delays. With defining individual roles, eliminated confusion, empowered team members, and NS collaboration. And this project improved our ability to plan effectively, boosting our confidence and future project management capabilities. We also gained experience or knowledge or idea using Gantt charts, risk registers, and team platforms, making future projects more efficient. Thank you.
So now we will come to lesson learned. So the first point is team collaboration and communication. So we realize that working in a diverse team require mutual respect and clear communication. So this will help us to collaborate more efficiently. The second point is that time management skills. By creating and following the Gantt chart, we can manage time wisely, and we also learn to adapt when the task shift. The third point is risk awareness. So, due to thanks to the risk register, we can think ahead by identifying risk and planning strategies to reduce uncertainty. The fourth point is clarity in roles and responsibilities. So, by sticking to um, our team charter, we can avoid confusion and everyone know their task and can improve teamwork and productivity. The fifth point is professional growth. So this internship simulate real project environments and we can gain more confidence in managing a professional project. And the last thing is mastering project tools. So we can develop strong skill in project planning tool like Gantt chart or register and also some collaborative platform. So these skills can help us a lot and we can carry on to our future job or our next internship. So this is the end of the presentation. Thank you for listening.